Greetings friends and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make Instant Pot brown rice congee with seafood. To make this congee, I'm going to be using 1 cup of brown jasmine rice as well as 8 cups of water. Pour the brown rice into the Instant Pot liner. And wash the rice once or according to package. Take a towel and dry off the Instant Pot liner, bottom and top rim, and place the liner into your Instant Pot. Now add the 8 cups of water. Now it's time to plug in your Instant Pot and put the lid on. Don't forget to put the steam release knob in place and in the sealing position. Put your Instant Pot to 35 minutes on high pressure using the porridge button. If it's not set at 35 minutes, just increase the time using the plus button. Keep in mind it will take about 10 to 15 minutes for the Instant Pot to come up to high pressure. Then it will begin the 35-minute countdown. After it beeps, then let it do a natural release, and that will take about 20 minutes. While the Instant Pot is going, we're going to prepare our garnishes. You'll need 3 stalks of green onion, as well as a 2-inch piece of ginger. Chop up the green part only of the green onion. I slice the ginger into thin slices and then again into fine julienne. Now I will show you how to make a crunchy garnish using egg roll wrappers. I found these egg roll wrappers in the frozen section at TNT, and then I cut them up into little pieces. Then we're going to fry them in a frying pan. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a heated pan. Then add the egg roll wrapper pieces. Until they're golden brown. These egg roll pieces will cook very quickly, so watch to make sure they don't burn. Now it's time to open up the Instant Pot. After opening up the lid, I took a whisk and I whisked up the congee to thicken it up a bit. Now we're going to add the seafood. Using miniature fish balls that I purchased at TNT in the frozen section, and I thawed them overnight. I'm also using some shrimp that have been peeled, deveined, and tails removed. And I'm using a white fish. Today I'm using these fillets, about 4 of them, because they're quite small and thin. And these are wild sole fillets, which I'm going to just cut up into large pieces and marinate with a little bit of white pepper and soy sauce. I cut each sole fillet into about 3 pieces, and then I'm just going to sprinkle them lightly with some white pepper. You can use any kind of white fish, such as bassa fillet, cod, tilapia. Any kind of white fish will be fine in this recipe. Then I mixed about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce into the fish. At this point, I turn off the Instant Pot and I hit the sauté mode, and that'll bring the congee back up to a boil. Then I'm going to add the seafood. The congee will come up to a boil very quickly, so make sure you stir it constantly so it doesn't burn and stick to the bottom. Once the congee starts bubbling again, I add in the shrimp. I'm using about 1.5 cups of shrimp. And about 1.5 cups of miniature fish balls. And I'll give that a stir. It will only take about 3 minutes for all of this to heat through. The fish balls are already cooked and the shrimp just need to cook through. And you know that the shrimp are cooked when they start to change to a pink color. Keep stirring constantly so that the congee doesn't burn on the bottom. I will also add half of the slivered ginger that I prepared earlier. Then I just simply added the fish pieces on top and let them gently cook in the heated congee. Once I see that the fish is cooked through, I turn off my Instant Pot and unplug it. And the congee is done. To finish off this congee, I will season it with a little bit of salt, and some white pepper, and then it's all ready to serve. To garnish this congee, I will add some chopped green onion, some more slivered ginger, and the crispy spring roll wrapper that we fried up earlier.